This video shows how to make a 3-inch leather zombie doll key charm. Television and movie folklore show that zombies do not attack other zombies, so having a leather zombie charm might help. Start by drawing a stickman shape with an oversized head, then draw in the stitching holes. The cross stitch adds the noticeable handmade touch on the outside edge of the charm, so offset the pattern 1/8 of an inch to make a smaller template for a raised center to stitch around. A laser cutter can be used to cut the template out of 1/8 of an inch acrylic, so you can use the template as a cutout jig too. Spring clamps make it easy to sandwich the 3 to 4 ounce vegetable tan leather between your template, so you can drag a hobby knife along the edge to make the parts. The usual diamond stitching holes do not work well because it is difficult to line the edges up, so I prefer to use round 1mm drive punches and space the stitching holes 5mm apart. Next, color the leather with eco-friendly dye and stitch the decorative face and button onto the front. Use a little glue to attach the lining leather to the back, making sure the stitching holes are not covered over, and attach the D-ring tab with a small rivet, but it can also be sewn on. Instead of the usual flat saddle stitch, use a cross stitch along the edge. Make sure the thread is pulled tight and lies down flat in the middle of the seam. To finish the key charm, apply a little leather conditioner and attach the keyring. Leather charms, keychains, and other bag decorations are fun to make and a great way to use smaller pieces of leather.